This is the world's oldest animal today, and you will never believe how old he is.
Most of what he posts, that's not accurate at all, but this is Jonathan the tortoise, who did turn 190 recently, making him the oldest land animal. Considering the Greenland shark can live to well over 400, maybe even 500 years, Hanako the koi fish lived to 226, and Ming the clam was 507 when they were found. Amazing as he is, it's pretty obvious that he's not the oldest animal on Earth. The actual oldest is this sponge, because sponges are animals, that was found to be 11,000 years old near China.